download the file. The file name is logical functions and the file link is nasa description below. Okay, so as a review, a function is a predetermined formula. So if you click the formulas toolbar, so you can see the different categories of functions. So common is the autosum. No, we already discussed this one sa previous video. And the financial, used in sa banking, computation of interest, and future values. Okay? So logical naman, so the most common is yung if, and text function and date and time lookup, Yeah. So we discussed some of these functions in our future lessons, Okay, so our data is a sales summary from a certain company, So our goal here is to compute the commission and bonus of the salesman. Ito sila. Okay? So to compute this one, so we need a certain criteria, para makuha natin yung bonus and commission. Okay? So to do that, we will use yung logical function. Okay, so the first thing we will do is to compute the commission base. Okay? So to compute the commission base, we will use the if function. So yung if function is functions that will control the output, yung desired output mo na based on a certain condition. So for example, okay, so we will create another worksheet, Okay. So if you have two categories, for example, X and Y, So if you type X, so yung output is 2. Then if you type Y, is the output is, or any, if you type X, the output is true. If you type any letter, then the output is 3. So ito yung mga desired output mo. Okay, so ito yung input mo, ito yung condition mo. If mag-type ka ng X, is yung result niya dapat 2, kung hindi X, 3. So yun yung parang condition. So to do that, we will use yung if function. So there are two ways to implement if function, or any function. Okay, so the first is to use yung dialog box ng if. So to use yung dialog box ng if, click this one, go to logical, dito, they click if. So makikita nyo dito yung siyang logical test. So for example, yung logical test natin is if yung A1 is equal to X. So, lagyan natin ng dito. Then, what is the value if true? The value if true, if X talaga nilagyan natin ng 2. Then, if false, lagyan natin ng 3. Then, click OK. Okay? So, using that logic, so pag lagyan natin ng A, so magiging 3 siya. Okay? So pag X, 2. Okay, so that is the how if function works. Okay? And also we can also use yung function na i-type lang natin. Diba? So yung equal, then if function. Okay? So sa if function, we have 3 arguments. Okay? So, yung first argument is the logical test, yung condition. So, ano yung condition natin? So, in this case, yung A1 is equal to X. Okay? When maggamit tayo ng letter or any character as it's a number, we will put quotation. Okay? Then, comma, to separate the argument. Then, ano yung value if true? Ano, expect ng true. Pag x talaga yung nasa A1, no, true yan. Okay? Then, the value is 2. Okay? If hindi naman, the value is 3. Okay? So, same siya na concept, no? Kahit anong gamitin mo. So, we will, in this lesson, we will use this one. No? Hindi natin gamitin yung dialog box, no? Ito yung gamitin natin, no? So, sa ano pa ito? Hard code, no? Natin, hard code natin.
Okay? So, going back sa ating dito sa
ano natin? Sales summary. Okay? So, ang ano dito, ang condition dito, if yung actual sales, no, is less than, no,
sa sales target. Okay, so ang ilagay lang natin is 0. Pag hindi naman siya less than, no,
mas malaki siya kay sales target, ilagay natin yung difference niya. No, ano yung ano niya? Difference ng actual sales minus the sales target. So to do that, so type natin if, yung if, so yung logical test natin, if yung difference ng actual sales represented by D2 and sales target, no, is less than, no, less than 0. Okay, so negative siya, di ba? So meaning, if less than 0 yan, meaning mas malaki yung sales target kay actual sales. Or mas maliit si actual sales kay sales target. Okay? If true yan, so lagay lang natin ng 0 na ano. Okay? Then, kung hindi naman true, false siya, so lagay natin yung ano niya, formula niya, balik ulit, no? Para makuha natin yung difference silang dalawa. Okay? Then,